How much difference is there in performance between the new Porsche 911 Turbo S hybrid and the first 911 that was a hybrid, the GTS? Well, we're going to find out by racing them over the standing quarter mile. I'm Matt Watson, you're watching Carwow. So both these cars have 3.6 litre hybrid engines. However, this Turbo S has two electric turbochargers and it produces 711 horsepower, whereas the GTS has one electric turbocharger and it produces 541 horsepower. Now, if you want to compare the stats, pause the video now. If not, let's do an initial drag race. All right, Sam, you ready to launch?
Born ready.
Cold tyres, stability control off. Napping off the line, but oh, pulling past.
No!
Lots of wheel spin there, it was brutal.
Oh my God! Wow!
This is quick. Yeah, I think your timing on the launch was way better than mine, Sam. I don't know what I was doing. I was too busy just not really caring because I've got so much power. And I have got a lot of power.
Yeah, knowing you're in that rocket, I just knew I had to get that dialed. I can't believe how you just drove past me like that. Oh my God.
It's going to be interesting to see what happens, the actual gap when I nail a launch. Before then though, let's do some other races. What we're going to do, a 50 mile an hour roll on over the half mile. Cars are going to be in automatic mode and normal driving mode, just like you're chilling. We're going to see the response of these engines. 3, 2, 1, go. What?
Oh, kick down!
Why? How? No! Yes, yes, now, yes.
No!
Yes, that's it. Blimey. Let's set the gearbox out of the equation and do it just a pull in third gear, full sports mode, manual settings. Before we do our racing, Sam, shall we do a sound check? Have a listen to my engine. Enjoy my soft limiter. Enjoy it. I think this sounds a bit more fruity, a bit deeper. All right, let's race. Third gear, roll on, manual mode, sportier setting, which is Sport Plus, FYI. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, yes.
No!
That's it, isn't it? That's it right there.
Look at that go!
Wow. The response on this was incredible, but that's not the main thing. It's the way the speed just keeps building. It's mad. I was just increasing the gap, wasn't I?
Yeah, like I was doing 150 miles an hour across the half mile and you were just driving away.
That's because I was doing like 170 or something ridiculous. It's just mad. The response was crazy. We're going to roll into this race. First gear, it'll be about 10 miles an hour. The starter will start us and we'll race over the half mile. This is incredible in this new Turbo S. You'll see what I mean in a moment.
3, 2, 1.
God, that GTS was quicker than I thought it would be. I was surprised. But now look at the gap.
Oh my God!
174 miles an hour Actually, I was not expecting that, Sam. You shot off so fast. Like the response of your car for that initial, I don't know, 50 miles an hour was mad.
Yeah, it's really confusing because where I'm sat, this is really fast, and then you're just driving away. Yeah, the pickup was incredible. I don't know why yours wasn't, but good God.
Do you know what? Let's just try that again. And it might have just been my reaction compared to your reaction.
3, 2, 1.
That was more like it. And again, 174.
Is there any car on the planet for that money can keep up with that?
Tesla Model S Plaid, unfortunately.
No, I said a car on the planet.
What do you mean? It's in a fridge?
Correct. That's for storing produce. It's not for doing anything fun.
Okay, well, now's a bit of fun. Let's do a brake test, right, before we do some more drag racing. So my car's heavier than yours, 1.7 tons. Yours is just under 1.6. Come on. Oh! Well, it's close.
No, I won.
Though you did win, yes. Let's get into the drag racing. And there's something I need to reveal about your car, Sam. Wow. Oh!
How is it doing that?
God, this is so quick. Oh, my goodness.
Look at it go!
What a difference. I'm making myself feel sick.
That is so fast. What time is that doing?
It's in a very low time. Let's reveal the time. Oh, there's something else to reveal.
Sorry, but your car was a rear-wheel drive version of the GTS on the four-wheel drive.
Not that this needs to be said, but formal protest. This comes in four-wheel drive, yet I'm miraculously in the rear-wheel drive one against the Turbo S. Thank you. It's really nice of you.
That's actually the car that Porsche gave us because they don't have the four-wheel drive one. But how did it feel in terms of the launch?
It did feel rear traction limited, if I'm honest.
To make you feel better about things, let's swap seats.
Yes, please. Put the seat back. Matthew No Legs Watson.
Oh yeah, too right, it's traction limited. Ah! Look at that go! What the? Now, it would be closer if we had the four-wheel drive. Shame Porsche didn't have it. Yes, this is definitely rear-wheel drive. Shall we compare the times? Let's do it. So then what exactly happened? Well, the Turbo S won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 10.1 seconds. The Carrera GTS took 11 seconds. And that begs the question, how quick would the Carrera GTS be if it also had all-wheel drive? Well, click on the video window right now to watch me drag race a Carrera 4 GTS against the BMW M4 CS. It's one of the closest battles I've ever had, and I think you'll be surprised by just how quick both cars were. Anyway, if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to this channel because we have some absolute bangers coming out soon. And as ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time. We're going to go back into the Turbo S, I think.